I am absolutely amazed every time I make this no churn chocolate ice cream at how velvety smooth and deeply chocolatey it turns out with just a handful of ingredients, and you don't even need an ice cream maker. Let me show you how simple it is. Add 2 cups or 240 milliliters of cold heavy whipping cream into a chilled bowl and whip it to stiff peaks. You can use a hand mixer or stand mixer for this, but just be sure to chill your mixing bowl in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes before you start. Store the whipped cream in the refrigerator while you melt 3/4 of a cup or 135 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then pour a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk into a separate medium bowl. Whisk it together with the melted chocolate until you get it as smooth as possible. Then add 1/3 of a cup or 30 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Whisk that all together until combined. It will look like thick brownie batter at this point. Grab the whipped cream from the refrigerator and fold about 1 cup of it into the chocolate condensed milk mixture to lighten it up a bit, then fold the chocolate mixture together with the rest of the whipped cream until fully combined and smooth. Add this chocolate ice cream mixture into a container like a loaf pan and smooth it down. Then cover and freeze for at least 6 to 8 hours, after which it becomes perfectly set, scoopable, and ready to enjoy. The texture is creamy and velvety and so refreshing, and this recipe makes the perfect base for making all kinds of flavors. I recently added some brownie bits and ribbons of hot fudge to make a fudgy chocolate brownie ice cream, and it was insanely good. You can check out the blog post link in the video description for even more flavor ideas, but even as is, you won't believe how incredibly easy and delicious this chocolate ice cream is. I hope you love it as much as I do. If you love dessert recipes and videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my blog at sugarandsparrow.com for even more. Thanks for watching.